Hi YouTube, Engineer Boy 100. Today, I've got a really cool tool to show you guys. I'm not a gardener, but I gotta clean up my weeds. And I'm gonna tell you, this little guy right here is awesome. I'm just impressed. Now, if you're gonna look for it, you're not gonna find it looking like this. I got this at Home Depot, and I bought this broom, which had this handle, and I switched the handles because I wanted this handle, and they didn't have it. So if you go looking for this exact looking tool, which I have not told you what it is yet, you won't find it because I switched it out. We don't need this broom anymore. I just wanted to show you that I stole the handle off this broom and put it on my tool, which I'm going to name right now. Okay, I promised I would name this tool, so here we go. This tool is called a stirrup hoe, and a scuttle hoe, and a speed hoe, and a hala hoe, and a weed hoe, and a timber hoe, and my favorite, and what we'll be referring to it by in this video, the action hoe. But it has also been mistaken for the wicked weeder hoe, which looks like this, the hoop hoe, which is actually round and fixed and looks like this, the loop hoe, which kind of looks like this one, but is also fixed, the flossing hoe, but the flossing hoe has a wire and looks like this, and the Dutch hoe. Today we're going to be using the action hoe to clean up some of these weeds, and I'm going to show you how it works right now. Now, I don't ordinarily apologize for background noise, but in this case, this little bird that you guys hear, there's nothing I can do about it. I can't get rid of him. And so, since I can't fix it, I'm going to go ahead and apologize. Now, the action hoe we have here today, it's kind of cool. The blade moves and pivots just a little bit as you use it to try to give you a little bit of a better angle to pull the weeds up, and it actually gets down in the dirt and pulls them up by either most or all of the root. And the thing I like about it is, the main thing I like about it is you don't have to get down on your hands and knees and pull the weeds up. You have this long handle, okay, and you just get down here and you have the action where you pull and push. You can pull just like that and get weeds up. You can push, or you can do both. And once you're done, it even acts as a little rake. And it's almost effortless. You can just go like this, you want back and forth, and it just pulverizes the wheat. And it's like, it's like effortless. You know, and these are pretty big weeds. And I'm not even pushing that hard. You just go back and forth, and you can just clear a large space in a really short period of time. So, so it took me about 10 minutes to clear both of these plots and get these 3 piles. 1, 2, and then we cleared all the way down here. There's the hero of this show. And 3, all the way down. We cleared all these weeds in about 10 minutes. The action hoe, my hero. Thank you for watching.